Morning, all. My name is Surya. I'm done a project in Cisco Packet Tracer using wireless devices. This is my project. This is a IoT based system where I'm using a home gateway and smartphone, garage door, window, door, and some cars and smoke detector. This is siren and this is fire sprinkler. Basically, I'm using these cars as a to release smoke because there is no gas cylinders in this Cisco packet tracer. So basically, this is about when the smoke detection is detected at a zero point 0.3 level, all the devices are reacted one by one. The siren will blow and the fire sprinkler will open and start sprinkling the water, and garage door will open and window will open, the door will open. These three, garage door and window and door will open for to release the carbon dioxide, from inside to outside, so that we can be breathe oxygen comfortably. So this is my project, and I connected through this smartphone. All the connections are made wirelessly so that we can control using mobile phone. And I connected to the server and have given the conditions. If the smoke detector is on, then the smoke detector can detect the zero point 0.3 level of smoke. Then all the siren and garage door, fire sprinkler, window, all the things will open and release the smoke outside. I have given the condition like that, and I have given uh, after the smoke is complete, after the smoke will stop, the smoke detector will stop off, then all the things will off. The conditions is given like that. So this is my project. I can briefly explain how I connected this. I'm connected through the home gateway to all the things through dynamically IP address. I'm using DHCP, and I connected to all to one SSID, so that they connected wirelessly to each other. This is the uh, this is smoke detector, which is connected to home gateway, and I connected to dynamically, so that the IP address will generate automatically, and I connected all these things like that. Here I connected wirelessly, and configuration the wireless. I given the same SSID, so that it connected to home gateway server, so that it can control by the smartphone. I'm using IoT monitor, and I'm using I'm using IoT monitor. I'm using the registration server, and I'm logging in. And after that, these are the conditions I have given. These are the things we are connected. From that, I can show how this works. First of all, I am using Alt, and I can release the smoke from vehicles. Then after it reaches the zero point 0.3 level, all the things are reacting one by one. The door is opening, and after reducing the smoke, all the doors and all these are opening. After reducing the smoke, it automatically off all the things. So basically, this is used for us daily purposes. This is a home automation system, smart smart prevention system. So this is used for this is used in smart parking areas. Whenever it happens, like a fire or a smoke releases, hardly breathe the air. So this will help to remove the carbon dioxide and gives the fresh air, and also it prevents from fire accidents, and it basically helps us more in our daily usage. So this is my project, and I am from CSC department from Hindustan University.